Stuck with the Wsecedit library DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. To start our guide for Wsecedit library, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the Wsecedit library, the Windows security editor engine. It provides the unmanaged UI and logic for the security configuration and analysis snap-in. It facilitates the localized editing of system security policies and access control lists, ACLs. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This is a critical Windows system integrity issue. You should run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and executing sfc/scan now, allowing Windows to automatically repair core architecture files like Wsecedit library DLL. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Wsecedit library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. If the restart didn't help the program find the file, we need to manually register the DLL pointer in the registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a pointer in the registry. If the program can't find that pointer, it doesn't matter if the file exists, it won't load. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install Wsecedit library DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. A maintenance-related solution is referenced below for users who want to review diagnostic options for Wsecedit library. If you've regained access to Wsecedit library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.